Okay, howdy again folks, Rick from the Boondocking Bears. Well, I got the old Warhorse all loaded up for my first motorcycle camping trip. It's a test run. I'm going down for 3 days and 2 nights at Letchworth State Park to test everything out for some big trips I've got planned later this summer, actually later this month. So I got everything packed into my dry bag. I got the underseat storage full, panniers are full. This is open while I put the camera back in there, and we're off to test everything.
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way, way up to everything that we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we love, it's not a long way, way to the spot where we already are. Stay here under the palm trees. Oh, won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with you. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with you. In our kingdom, kings fall dropping like little flies. There's a price to pay to getting the things we want. But if we take a moment to get close.
Well, it's day 2 here at Letchworth State Park, and today we're going to go for a bike ride and go and see the National Warplane Museum in Genesco, New York, because they got a World War II bomber that actually flew over the beaches of Normandy on June 6th, 1944. To me, that's really cool.
I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest.
So this is Whiskey 7, a U.S. Air Force C-47 troop transport plane used extensively during World War II by American airborne forces. This is the actual plane that flew during the Normandy invasions on June 6, 1944, and in the following days as part of the airborne assault of over 50,000 American paratroopers ferried from England and dropped into France behind German lines. And this was a surprise find. The operational B-17 Flying Fortress used in the movie The Memphis Belle. Hundreds of these flew in sorties over Germany, destroying Nazi war production, leading to the invasions of Italy and France during the war. We didn't have time this trip to take a flight, but it is on the bucket list.
Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate.
The next morning, packed up, I headed home to discard some gear off the bike, lightening the load for the next trip. So as always, enjoy, smile, be charitable to others, and talk to you again soon. Thanks for watching.